Options trading can seem daunting at first, but once you break it down, it's a fascinating way to engage with the stock market. So what exactly is options trading? In simple terms, options are contracts that give you the right but not the obligation to buy or sell a stock at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. This flexibility is what makes options trading so appealing. Let's dive into how it works. When you purchase an option, you're essentially paying for the potential to buy or sell a stock later. There are two main types of options: call options and put options. A call option allows you to buy a stock at a set price, while a put option gives you the right to sell a stock at a set price. This means you can profit whether the market goes up or down, depending on your strategy. Now, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with some common terms. First, there's the strike price, which is the price at which you can buy or sell the underlying stock. Then we have expiration date, which is the last day you can exercise your option. And don't forget about premiums. This is the price you pay to buy the option itself. Understanding these terms will help you navigate the world of options trading with confidence. So why should you consider trading options? One major reason is leverage. Options allow you to control a larger amount of stock with a smaller investment. This means you can potentially earn higher returns compared to traditional stock trading. Additionally, options can be used for hedging, which is a way to protect your investments from market downturns. It's like having insurance for your portfolio. If you're eager to learn more about options trading, there are plenty of resources available. Online courses, webinars, and trading simulators can help you practice without risking real money. Websites like Investopedia offer comprehensive guides, while platforms like TD Ameritrade and E-Trade provide educational materials specifically for beginners. When it comes to choosing a broker, look for one that offers a user-friendly platform and educational resources. Some of the best brokers for beginners include Robinhood, which is known for its simplicity, and Charles Schwab, which offers robust research tools. Make sure to compare fees and commissions, as these can eat into your profits. As you embark on your options trading journey, remember that it's essential to start small and gradually build your knowledge and experience. Options trading can be a powerful tool in your investment arsenal, but it requires careful planning and strategy. So take your time, do your research, and don't hesitate to seek advice from experienced traders. The world of options trading is waiting for you, and with the right approach, it can be both exciting and rewarding.